Hello everyone, I'm Miss Sarah. I'm the economics teacher. Okay, first of all, I want to tell you some informations before we start our course. Okay, actually, this course is based on the IGCSE economics syllabus. So, any IGCSE student, f- he's fine to join and see the courses, and it's actually based on his book. Okay, for the IGCSE. Secondly, this course, or what I'm gonna explain, is based on the basic concept of economics. So anyone who's not aware or he doesn't have such much of economics or wants to know the basic concept of economics, he's more than welcome to join our class. So now let's start and see what is economics about. Let's start with chapter 1 today, the basic concept of economics. Okay, actually, to know the basic concept, we need to know first what is economics. We always hear economics, economics, economics in the news. Anyone have such a talk or whatever. So, what is actually economics? Before I say what is economics, I really want you to think about what I'm gonna say. Okay, I just want you now to start to imagine yourself. Okay, before I start, I just want to tell you this. Okay, this is our summary. We will know what is the economics, the business, and the difference. Okay, and we know the branch and knowledge of economics, and the scarcity and the choice problem, opportunity cost, and the definitions. Okay, and at the end, there is a little surprise for you guys. Okay, let's now start. I want you to imagine this photo. Okay, what's this photo about? A lot of people want to buy these shoes. Okay. Does it happen? Yes. Remember when we every year we are waiting for such an event which is called Black Friday? Okay, I want you to imagine the mall that in this mall there is a Black Friday and there is off like 50, 60, 70% discount. How it's look like? Okay, I can tell you. It's like a lot of people, and little items. Just this picture can explain it. You know, this pair of shoes with like one, two, three, four, five, six, with about 12 person want to buy these shoes. Okay, let me ask you another question. Now, I want to ask you, in the mall, if there is available item for every single member or every single citizen in the mall? Of course not. Why? Because there is few goods or few resources or few shoes and the clothes, and I swear it's more like unlimited number of people. When you go, there is not even a place to walk. So that's exactly what is economics about. This photo can explain the main concept of economics. So, what is economics? Economics, first of all, it's a social science, okay, concerned with how the society uses the limited resources to meet the unlimited needs for goods and services. So, that means we have limited resources and unlimited needs for goods and services. Okay, all clear now? So, let's now move to the second point. What is business? Because most of people like saying, why should I study economics and not studying business, and vice versa? So business is more about activities to produce and sell goods and services. Okay, it's not just about how to allocate resources, how to do all of these things. No, he's about this input, process, output for profit. Economics is not for profit, it's for meet meet the needs and the wants of the people. Okay, we have two main branches of economics. first one is the microeconomics and the second one is the macroeconomics. Microeconomics, as you see from this picture, we can conclude that the microeconomics is just a study the behavior of the person, of one individual, how he spent his money, how he buy goods and services, and so on. But what about the macroeconomics? In the macroeconomics, it's more like I'm gonna study the whole economy. You see, I'm studying the whole economy here. Okay, I'm studying this person and this girl and the whole countries together, their attitude toward things and so on. So this is the main difference. Microeconomics, I'm just studying the behavior of individuals. Okay, now let's move to the second point. The knowledge of economics. Okay, here we have two types of economics: positive economics and normative economics. Okay, in the positive economics, positive, we mean that we're describing the fact of the society. Okay, like we have 20% unemployment rate. Our unemployment rate for this year is 20%. So it's a fact. Okay, but what about the other type of economics, which is normative economics? Normative economics describe what should we do. What should we do? Here it is, sorry. What should we do? It's based on the value judgments. Okay? Now, I want you to see this picture. What is this picture? What can you guess what is about? Huh? This all people and this just have a cup of water. They are waiting just to drink water. And it's not enough. You know what? Because water is a scarce resource. Okay? So in economics, our main problem just to study is the scarcity problem. Economics, it's all about scarcity problem. I want just to tell you something. You know when I told you that there is limited resources and unlimited needs and wants, there is a gap between them. Okay, this gap called scarcity, the scarcity problem. So scarcity problem is the study of the gap between limited resources and unlimited needs and wants. Okay? Now, all the time I'm saying like resources, 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 resources. But actually, what's our resources? And actually, what are the resources? The resources, or what can we say, the factors of production. It's abbreviation, don't use it guys in the exams or these things. Okay, what's the factors of production? The factors of production are the resources needed to produce goods and services. So factors of production are needed resources to produce goods and services. Okay, how many factors of production do we have? We have four factors of production. What are they? Huh? Let's say it together. Land, labor, capital, entrepreneur, or enterprise. So land, labor, capital, and entrepreneur or enterprise. Okay, so land, labor, capital, enterprise. Land, labor, capital, enterprise. Okay. What is the land? What is the labor? Sorry. What is the capital? What is the enterprise? Okay. Actually, as you can see here, the land it's a natural resource. Any natural resources like the land, okay, the river, the wind, the air, the sunlight, all of these resources are natural resources. So this called in economics called land. Okay. What about labor? Labor are the human resources, the one who work to produce or to provide our goods and services. What is the capital? Capital is the man-made resources. What do we mean by a man-made resources? We mean by it that the assets. Example, the money. It's our like most incredible example. Okay, the last thing, the enterprise or the entrepreneur. Okay, he's the one who can make and manage firms. He is the risk taker and the decision maker. Okay. In order to use any of these factors of production, you need the income. You are not gonna use it for free to produce the goods and services. Okay. Here we have the income of land. You expect what? Rent. Okay. Labor, when the labor work, they expect salary or wages. What about money? Interest. Interest on my money. I want it to be more valuable or add more value. So there is interest on my money when I put it in a bank or something, or I start to be a part in a business and I put my money there, I need interest. I need it to be increased. And the last thing, the enterprise, the one who managed the firm, he expect profit. Okay? Now, oh my god. What is this? We all have such a problem in our life. As I said before, economics, you can apply economics in your whole life. It's not that a hard subject to study or a hard field study. No, it's an easy one. Okay? So, what is this picture about or this photo about? It's about everyday problem when we go to the supermarket or go for shopping. We are choosing what products to have. Why? Because in economics we have a limited resources. What are our resources in such a situation? Our resource here is money. We have a limited money. We don't have enough money to buy all of these products. So we're gonna choose. Huh? Like this one. When you are hiring an employee, you gotta choose the best one. Okay? That meets your needs. So because of the producer can't offer, they can't offer all wants and needs because of what? Limitation of the resources. With the alternatives uses, therefore it's choosing goods and service. Why? To satisfy wants and needs. So are they gonna like do it randomly? Actually, it's not. There is a three questions depend on them. They are gonna produce the product. What are they? What to produce? How to produce? For whom to produce? What to produce? Like which type of goods and service are they gonna produce? What about how? About how I want to produce it with like best technology. Why? To ensure high quality and low price. Okay? For whom? Is there like available or there's people are gonna buy this product, so I want to make sure that this thing is important or it's a need. so everyone will buy it, so I'm not wasting my resources. Okay, so that's the choice problem. Okay, in order to make a choice problem, I will give up something, right? Let's go back to this photo. If I decided to like buy this shampoo, okay, that means I'm giving up, let's say, this one. Okay, what did this that mean? That means opportunity cost. What is opportunity cost is about? It's the cost of choosing one thing and not choose the other. Okay, it's measure the benefit you can have had from the next best alternative. So what is the opportunity cost? We can say it here a different way, is the next best alternative that's foregone in order to get the benefits of the first choice. So I have two choices. Okay, wait a second. I have two choices here, whether to study late, to study, or to have sleep. I choose to study. Okay, so that means I give up sleeping. I first choose to study. So that means I give up sleeping in order to study. So what is the opportunity cost here? Sleep. Because what? It's the second choice. Studying was the first one. Let's say here, write it here. It was the first one, and sleeping is the second one. So opportunity cost is sleeping here, guys. Okay. Now, oh my God, what is this? Okay, this is the production possibility curve, the BBC, okay, or the PBF, whatever. Okay, this way or this curve shows the opportunity cost of choosing. Okay, so this shows, wait a second, this shows the opportunity cost of what we are gonna produce. So this depends on what? Depends on, like, we have two goods here, pizza and sugar. Let pizza and sugar. Okay? And here's our curve. So each point, A or P or C, are efficient. That means that we use the whole resources efficiently. So this is the maximize use of resources. This is the maximize use of resources. Okay. What about these 2 points? These 2 points mean that the resources are not fully utilized. Okay, because if they are fully utilized, they are gonna be shifted to be on the curve. Okay. What about point F, which is outside the curve? It's not attainable. You can't reach it. But I can reach it when I discover new resources. So the non-attainable point can be reached when there is new resources. Okay? So now we just end our first unit in the IGCSE curriculum. Okay? what was all about? We said what is economics, what is the difference between economics and business, and I know that I added some more information that are more than in the IGCSE syllabus in order to make the whole persons or each one who watch this video just understand. Okay? And now what we talk then, the types of economics, the micro and the macroeconomics, the factors of production, which are, guys, they are very, very, very important. Okay, they are land, labor, capital, and enterprise. Good. Okay, what we talk after that, we talk opportunity cost, the choice problem, and the most important problem, scarcity problem, and the production possibility curve. Now there's definitions, you can read it: durable goods, non-durable, consumer, capital, and public good. Okay, and we know public goods is provided by government. Capital good, it's like a man-made resources or a man-made goods, okay, to produce the other goods. Okay, consumer service like banking and this stuff. Durable goods like cars and TV. Non-durable goods like foods, drink, and petrol. Okay, now we have our surprise, and this surprise actually for the IGCSE students. Okay, what they are for? What is this surprise for the people? Okay, now guys, I adjust the my classified for paper 1 and paper 2 in order to more practicing on for the exams. So I'm gonna leave the links that you can access the the classified for paper 1 and paper 2 for this chapter, the first chapter. The classified, the questions from starting from 2009 to 2019, variant 3. Every exam, every variant 3 from exam starting from 2009 till 2019, I put the whole questions. Okay, feel free to ask to order them. It's going to be offered for like a little money. It's not that expensive. Okay, feel free to take it and ask for the PDF, start to solve, and any problems you can just write in the comments. Okay, thank you so much, and I'm waiting to see you guys in the next video. Okay, bye bye.